Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today we're making a delicious, colorful, and super easy keto chicken bake that's packed with flavor and low on carbs. Let's jump right in. In a large bowl, add 2 chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch cubes. Then toss in 1 cup of diced onions, 1 cup of diced green bell peppers, and 1 cup of diced red bell peppers. Now let's make our marinade. In another bowl, add 1 teaspoon Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Give it a good mix until everything's beautifully blended. Pour the marinade over the chicken and veggies, and mix thoroughly until everything is coated in that flavorful goodness. Transfer everything into an oven-safe pan. Cover first with parchment paper, then seal it tightly with aluminum foil. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And that's it, a hearty keto-friendly chicken bake that's bursting with color and flavor. Perfect for lunch or dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching Heaven's Kitchen. See you next time.